let's review fractions and how they can be used to name parts of an inch. At the top of my page, I have shown a fraction fourths. That's because I'm going to look at an inch that's been divided into 4 equal parts. Each part has a name as a fraction. My first line would be the 0 line. I have 0 fourths. The first chunk of my inch would be one of 4 parts. When I get halfway through my inch, I'm looking at 2 of 4 parts. This was the first part. This is the second part. So I can call it half, 1/2, or 2/4. When I get 3 of the 4 ways through, I can call it 3/4. And when I have all of the inch, the 3rd fourth, and finally the 4th fourth, I have the fractional name 4/4, which is equal to 1 whole. Now I can break fourths down into 2 equal parts. In other words, I can take this fourth and cut it in half. When I do that, my fourth is still in the same place. But now I can give it names in eighths. In fact, I can call that 0 fourths line now 0 eighths. This would be 1 eighth, and this 1/4, I'll get rid of this line here, would also be able to be named 2 eighths, the same as 1/4. Three eighths. And here we are at the halfway point. 1/2 is also known as 2/4 or 4 eighths. And it's interesting to think about because isn't 4 half of 8? Now you can see that we've gone 4 eighths of the way. 1 eighth, 2 eighths, 3 eighths, 4 eighths. We can continue to label these eighths, and as we go to 5 eighths and 6 eighths and 7 eighths and 8 eighths, wherever we had a fourth, we have a matching name in eighths. In other words, 1/4 is also known as 2 eighths. 1/2 is also known as 2/4 and 4 eighths. 3/4 can be called 6 eighths. And oops, I know some of you caught that mistake. Going back to my highlighter, 4/4 is also known as 8 eighths. So today we took an inch, we divided it into 4 equal parts at the top of our page, and then we took those fourths and divided them again to create eighths. We have 4/4 in 1 inch, and we also have 8 eighths in 1 inch, depending on how small you want to make the parts. Enjoy!